Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca and I have 5 more Christmas Dollar Tree DIYs to share with you today. Let me know down below which one of these ideas is your favorite. They're all really pretty easy and affordable to do. And I'm gonna say that the last one is probably my favorite. It was actually my daughter Renee's idea and it is just so super easy, affordable, adorable, and I think it makes a fabulous, quick, last-minute gift for teachers, for friends, neighbors. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, but I'm gonna say that that one's probably my favorite. I can't believe that I didn't think of this sooner. But anyway, without further ado, let's get started. If you do enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know. Also, I wanted to just extend a huge, heartfelt thank you to all of you guys. I am so super excited. I could not believe it. I woke up this morning to find that we are 100,000 subscribers. So thank you all for just supporting, for watching my channel. I just love each and every one of you so much, and I am just so thankful and so grateful. That was such an amazing surprise to wake up to this morning, so thank you guys for that.
Okay, so let's get started. Now for the first one, I'm using one of these wooden stars and covering it with some dark wood stain that I already had, and I really love that this wood stain has no odor. It is non-toxic and doctor recommended. It is a little bit pricey, but I've been using this container for DIYs for a couple of years now, and I'm only like halfway through because a little bit goes a long way. So once it was dry, I used a stencil and a chalk marker to write on here. You can do any message, Christmas wish, or scripture verse that you like. And then I finished it up with some of these strips of the red bead stickers from Dollar Tree around the edges. And let me know what you guys think of it. I feel like it has a very like country Christmas feel. For the next one, I am sticking one of these floral foam pieces inside this little round desktop organizer, and as you can see, it's almost a perfect fit. So I just used some hot glue and nautical rope to completely cover the sides. Now for the pine, I wanted Dollar Tree pine, of course, and I had a bunch of floral picks from Dollar Tree, so I decided to create this using just the fluffy long needled branches, so it would have a little bit different look and texture than what you normally think of being from Dollar Tree. And the pine cones, I pulled those off as well. So the rest of the Christmas picks, I am just saving the other pieces on there with the other pine and the berry pieces for future DIYs. This is really easy to do, and to me it just looks a lot different this way than the usual look of the Dollar Tree branches and picks. So I kind of think it looks more high-end. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think, and if you would add a bow or a ribbon on this. I was really undecided, or if you think I should just leave it natural with the rope. But I do think it's a piece that you could leave up all the way through the winter, which is really nice. For the next one, I took this pillow from Dollar Tree. It's super cute as is, and it looks kind of anthropology inspired, although it is a little bit on the small side, but to be expected for $1, right? So my plan was to use the pom-pom rose on here for DIYs, and I'm just using my scissors to carefully trim the threads and pull off this decorative piece. So I just pulled it snug. I hot glued it around the top of a glass vase on here, and it fit perfectly. And then I took some of these little snowflakes and alternated the white and the silver ones around the vase. You could tie them if you want on here, but honestly, just using the tiniest dot of hot glue worked just fine for me. And I was just thinking, actually, I'm pretty sure that glue dots would work well for this if that makes it easier for you. You could use this as a vase, but I kind of think it looks best as a candle holder. And I was even thinking it would make great winter decor for after Christmas or decor for a Frozen themed party. How perfect is this with the snowflakes? Okay, so let me know what you think of this next one. I know it's really simple and maybe it's too simple, but I just took an 8x10 Dollar Tree frame, and since it was gold, I took a silver metallic paint that I picked up in Walmart, and I painted a few coats on there. And once the frame was dry and I had a silver frame, I put the glass back in with some glue around the edges just to keep that in place. I'm not using the back of the frame. And on the back of the glass, I centered this Dollar Tree Christmas card in the center. I saw this card in Dollar Tree and I just instantly knew I wanted it as part of my Christmas decor. So I used a couple of teeny tiny dots of glue in the corners to keep it in place, but glue dots would also work really well for this. And this is how it turned out. Okay, so for my favorite one now, Renee and I were shopping in Bath & Body Works, and she suggested placing a magnet on the back of an ornament and creating something like the Bath & Body Works candle toppers that are so cute and festive and adorable. And it turns out that I actually found both magnets in Dollar Tree's new craft section and also this flat blue and silver snowflake ornament in their Christmas section, which was just the perfect thing to make this candle topper. So let me know what you think, but I was kind of thinking that these would be really cute gift ideas for like teachers or for stocking stuffers, anything like that. What are your ideas? I would love to know. As always, thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!